Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session, we will see how to install Openshot on Fedora 34. The open source Openshot video editor supports the FFmpeg, codecs, WebM, AVCHD, HEVC, and audio codecs like MP3 and AAC. Now let's go to the terminal. Now I'm going to check the OS version. Use this following command. This is OS version Fedora 34, and then I'm going to install free and non-free Fusion repository resource by using the following command. Press enter to continue. Give yes here. Installation completed, and then I'm going to install Openshot. Use this following command. Press enter to continue. Give yes here. Installation completed. Now go to the menu search bar. Search here. Click and open this. This is taskbar page bar, Openshot video editor. With this process of installing Openshot video editor on Fedora 34 comes to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.